Sustained hypertrophy is probably more along the lines of 4 weeks, where we can see that, right? We can actually see changes like in the ultrasound. Now you're making changes immediately. That protein synthesis process is happening like very fast, and it's going to last. It just takes us time to measure it in terms of a noticeable change in your whole muscle size. So that being said, the first 4 weeks we typically say are primarily nervous system. After that, now we're starting to see most of the changes coming from the muscle side of the equation. So with strength development, it's a combination of 3 areas. In fact, all muscle contraction has these same 3 things. It starts off with some signal, right, from somewhere in the body, whether it's all the way up the top or at the level of the spine, depending on if this is a reaction or an actual conscious control. From there, that some signal has to tell the muscle to contract. Okay, so signal is 1. 2, it's muscular contraction. And there's a lot of variables inside the muscle tissue itself that determine its functionality. And so if we took an individual biopsy and took a muscle fiber from you and took one from me, and we took those muscles out and put them in a petri dish, and I tied one end to a 4-transducer, and the other end to a thing that pulls it, and we soaked it in a bath of calcium and a bunch of other stuff, even if they were the same size, your fibers might contract a lot faster than mine, even relative to size, or not, or slower, or there's various properties. So the intrinsic fibers themselves determine a lot of functionality.